If you cannot find the video when you crash, if you cannot find it in the SD card, like this one here, when you remove this SD card and you put it in the computer and you don't find it there and it's not there, that means that should be in the camera, in the dash cam. I'm going to show you how to watch the video and how to save it in your computer so you can show it to your lawyer or the insurance company or wherever. The first thing you have to do is connect it to the computer. When you have it connected, it's going to show a message that says mass storage and rec mode. So you go to File Explorer and go to this PC, and in the dash camera you are going to press OK. This is the OK button for this kind of cameras, the Rexin camera, the DT2. Press OK. Now it's showing on the computer, this one here. So press, then press this one. So number one means the camera of the front, and the number two means the camera of the rear, of the back. So we are going to choose this one. And then this one is showing SOS. The files that says SOS means that they are storage on the dash cam. The other ones, they are storage on the SD card. So if you want to recover a video that is on the dash cam, just you have to press it. Let's press this one so we can look at it. Then after you already saw the video, you can save it in your computer. Send to, in this case, I'm going to send it to my documents. Then this is the number 162817. Go to your documents. Now if you want to make sure that you already save it in your computer, go to File Explorer, go to your documents where you save it. Go to the video. There you go. It's in your computer without the dash cam. There you go.